Hey, everybody. Delighted coaching team. Welcome to Manta Training. Today, I want to go over the manta.com site and show you how you can use this to bring in leads and help you convert more leads by understanding more about these companies, who the decision makers are, and pertinent information about those companies, and including the number of employees. The more we know before we go into a company and start asking them questions, the better off we're going to be in asking intelligent questions that are going to things they're going to expect us to know if we come into their door. So with that being said, manta.com is where you need to go. And then if you want to find a business, all you have to do is just, type the business in there. So if I put State Farm Insurance and I click on that, I've got some choices now. Let's say I go to Ramona Herrera, State Farm agent. She's in Shafter. I can get some basic information here, how to contact them, but also in this case, she has her mission. She has her contact information, who she is, her directions. There's not a lot of information on a lot of these loan proprietors like Ramona, but let's go and look at a different company. Let's say we want to look at a company like WorkLogic. Let's see if they're in here. Yes, they are. So I click on that. I'm probably going to get kind of a website because they're pretty good at their marketing. And let's see what they have. WorkLogic HR, featured content. Here's the contact. There's the president, Jeff Thorne. They're professional planners. You can add your company information in here. They don't have a lot of information on their site either. Some of the companies will actually put the number of employees they have, but some companies, they can hide that information. So let's go back to the home page. And now I'm going to go, let's say we're just looking for a particular niche. Say we're only looking for electricians. So I'm going to type electricians in there, and it's going to pull up some electricians. I'm going to go to, I just picked Davis Electric just to see who they are. So here we've got some contact information, what they do, what kind of services they provide, what kind of customers they work with. Also, we have the owner of the company down here, Brian Davis. In this case, we don't have much information about their company, but sometimes in this part right here, it'll say how many employees they have. Some companies delete that information from Manta because they don't want you to know, but a lot of times I can find it there. So I just wanted to show you that. That's an easy way to search. And so really, it's really self-explanatory once you get into it. It's pretty simple. It's really good consumers. If you're looking for different businesses, they'll have their usually their social media connections there, and you can see their testimonials and the ratings. So I hope this is helpful. I think this will be a very beneficial page for Delighted Coaching associates to use in terms of our prospecting and getting leads and finding out more about who we're working with. So hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Thanks. God bless.